Welcome, fellow weirdos. I'm your host, Papa Za. Here at Weird Wild Pizza, we make weird pizza with wild sourdough. Check out the link below for our pizza dough recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to join the weirdest pizza quest in the galaxy. 3 shrimp pizzas. Today we're making a shrimp and grits pizza. Make sauce. 1 cup milk. 1 cup water. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Whisk. Slowly add a half a cup of grits or cornmeal. Turn heat to low and cover. Remove lid and whisk every 4 to 5 minutes. Cook for 20 minutes or until creamy. Turn off heat. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of butter, whisk. 1/4 cup cheddar cheese. Cheese grits. Prepare toppings. Dice garlic. Chop green onions. Parchment paper lined baking pan. Lay down bacon single file. Bake bacon 15 minutes at 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Flip. Bake 5 to 10 more minutes or until cooked. Remove bacon. Drain on paper towel lined plate. Chop bacon. Bacon. Medium heat. 1 tablespoon of butter. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1.5 cups of shrimps, about 20. Cook 1 to 2 minutes until just pink and remove. Grate cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Make pizza. Flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly as needed. Flour pizza peel. Put peel under dough. 1 cup grits. 1 cup mozzarella cheese. 1 cup bacon. 1.5 cups of shrimp. And 1 more cup of mozzarella cheese. 1/4 cup green onions and pat down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Shrimp and grits pizza. Eat it. Today we have ourselves a shrimp and grits pizza. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. Popcorn shrimp pizza. Deshell your shrimp. Devein your shrimp. Carefully, that knife is sharp. Egg. Half cup flour. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, teaspoon paprika, oregano, thyme, salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 cup panko breadcrumbs, half a pound raw shrimp, coat shrimp in flour, coat shrimp in egg, and then in the breadcrumbs. Parchment paper lined baking pan. Lay out your shrimp single file. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes each side. Popcorn shrimp. Tomato sauce. Mozzarella cheese. Flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly as needed. Flour your pizza peel and slide it under the dough. 1 cup tomato sauce. 2 cups mozzarella cheese. 2 cups popcorn shrimp. Pat down. Bake at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Chop parsley. Top with a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Popcorn shrimp pizza. And we got a popcorn shrimp pizza. Shrimpy. Shrimp cocktail pizza. 1 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup horseradish, half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire, mix well. Cocktail sauce. All right, let's give this cocktail sauce a try. Nice and zingy. It's gonna be great. Medium-high heat, cooking oil. Add your jumbo shrimp, deshelled and deveined. Season with salt and pepper. Cook 1 to 2 minutes each side. Cooked jumbo shrimp. Mozzarella cheese. Flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly as needed. Flour peel and slide it under the dough. Add 1 cup cocktail sauce, 2 cups mozzarella cheese, 2 cups jumbo shrimp, and pat it down. Bake at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Shrimp cocktail pizza. Today we have a shrimp cocktail pizza. Oh yeah, some nice little shrimps, that delicious cocktail sauce. Shrimp party! Thanks for watching Weird Wild Pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you got a pizza challenge, leave a comment below, and be sure to check out what's up next.